Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, today I'm going to solve a very interesting question that is very common in competitive exams. If you see the competitive exam question paper, very frequently these questions is coming in the exam. So today I'm going to solve it. What is the questions? I'll read the questions. Convert 1.24 bar into improper fractions. This is a rational number which is non-terminating but repeating. That means remainder is not 0, it's repeating. 24 is repeating. That means 24 is coming several times. So I have written 24 bar. So this is a rational number which you have to convert in improper fraction. You have to convert it in improper fractions. And this is a multiple choice questions. These are the options is supplied to you. From there you have to find out the correct answer, right? So how will do it? How will convert this number, rational number, into an improper fractions? I am going to show you. There is a trick, right? Now consider this number 1.24 bar. Now the trick is that I'll show you the trick beside the basic method. So first of all, what you have to do, listen it carefully. What you need to do, you have to remove the bar as well as the decimal. If you remove the bar as well as decimal, it will be simply 1, 2, 4. I remove the bar as well as the decimal. Then after that you have to subtract. What you have to subtract? See the number which is without bar. How many it is without bar? So there is only 1 where there is no bar. So write the number 1. Then you have to divide it by, now check how many digits are there where there is a bar. On top of that there is a bar. So there are 2 digits, on top of that there is a bar. So you have to divide it by 29, that is 99. Okay, this is the technique. Now 124 minus 1, you will get 123, right? Divided by 99. If we cancel it by 3, that is 33 by 41. So answer is 41 by 33. This is the answer. Now check from the options. 41 by 33. This is the correct answer. 41 by 33. This is the correct answer. Isn't it very interesting and very easy? So within a very short time you can solve it if we're going to apply the trick. I hope it's clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. So I have taken another examples of similar problem, that is also convert 1.53 bar into proper fractions. This 1.53 bar is a rational number where which is not terminating but repeating. The 3 is the repeating, that's why it's rational numbers. So you have to convert it in proper fractions. So same rule, same method. Let's see, have a look. The number is given, that is 1.5, only there is a bar on the top of 3, right? So now first what you have to do, you have to remove the bar as well as the decimal. So if you remove the bar as well as the decimals, what you will get? 153 simply, right? Now you have to minus. So you have to minus the number where there is no bar. So there is no bar, number 5 there is no bar. So 1, 5, 15, you have to subtract the number where there is no bar, that is 15. Now you have to divide the after decimal there is one number where there is a bar, that means you have to divide it by 9. So after decimal there is one number without bar. Without bar is 0. So is it clear? I hope it's clear. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. I will try to make it clear. Okay. Now if we subtract this one, you will get 138 divided by 90. 138 divided by 90. If I divide it by, cancel it by 3, you will get 30, and this one you will get 46 if I cancel divided by 3. So your answer will be 46 by 3. Cancel it by 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 15s are 30. So answer will be 23 by 15. This is the answer, 23 by 15. I hope it's clear to everyone. Thank you very much for watching.